bagi kubur ka Batisi TV. Lawan Rashapi da ka Frank Motors. The dark is here to rule.
Ka IZ Group of Institution Bangalore, kadai ke college babahatam nagabenta ke Jingpluh nursing but paramedical course, hospital training, pinyo scholarship but 6% ka kam, haki hospital bahedo India but shabari. Na benta ke Jingpluh ka Jingseo ka baret but pila ban lagu ban puli da ka education loan, pila ruban sekolah number, kandai nyo saw san riu pranot, lani kandai pran riu laisan, ar riu kandai pra.
Superintendent of Police City ubah Vivek CM ulai thu bagi Pulit kidang Tohkit banyak halor ke Jingpluh jong Kasih Jantia Presbyterian Girls Higher Secondary School. Ulai thu pemerintah kidang ap ya kai phot jong tes kabanmi na forensic perkumjuru kidang ap ya kai phot na katran Fire and Emergency Services. Superintendent of Police City ubah Vivek CM ulai pentip pemerintah kasih hakapor sawije dang step kowe ketuk kabla penyang harus surau hajalu para kala kemding. Bad haduk mentah ompal lak bantip. La kadai ke basyak thang ne kadai ke Jingpluh hi. Katuk kadai ke Jong wei ne ke nong song senong ke jalu para bad uladap ru ban ujor ijahar halor ke ne ke bentah.
It's on the roadside, so we get to ascertain whether it's arson or actually it's an accidental crime. I don't know, one of the name I don't have, but it's one of the residents of the Angel colony. By now it must have been. Samples from the site and all that and send it to forensics to ascertain if there's any foul play in it. Not of any anything which will indicate any cognizable offence. Yes, they still, I think, allowing us to inquire to the matter. If there's something which is actually malified in any way, then we will take up the case. Now it's too premature to say right now. Just let the samples come from officer, and we can say, and also from the fire and emergency services. Once the report comes, then we can at least map out a picture of what actually really happened.